QPad have been growing on me. We've been working with them for a little while now and have had the chance to check out a few of their peripherals of late, mostly their 2019 models, but still, now we've got the chance to really dive into their new range of items, and with it comes the QPad QH-700 gaming headset. So before we dive too far into this review, I just want to give a shout out to today's video sponsor. CD Key Offers is the best place on the internet right now to get Windows OEM keys, new games, and essential software keys, all for a really great value. A Windows 10 Pro OEM key is on sale right now, and once purchased, CD Key Offers will send you the key in which you can then use to activate your Windows software. And don't forget, you can use TNO20 to receive a 20% discount on your purchase. Visit cdkeyoffers.com to get started. The QPad QH-700 gaming headset is a robust, well-built set of headphones that screams simplicity. But that's okay. There's no bells or whistles or frills, and QPad have done a great job of building a simple gaming headset that just works, and a bonus is their plug and play too. They're not particularly heavy either and have been an absolute treat to use during longer gaming sessions. I've had these on my head for hours at a time and I've never had a feeling of pain or tightness. They weigh around 350 grams and again, that's not really heavy at all. They're also built surprisingly well too and have a metal spine running through the headband. The steel sliders are nice and firm and the areas that connect to the cups themselves are again metal, and the hinges do feel solid. The issue I do have though, and it's a bit of a pet peeve of mine with headphones, and that's that the cables are exposed between the headband and ear cup. The cups are covered in memory foam padded leather, which does help with comfort as well. So the cups themselves house a 50mm driver which fit over the ears. The cups are closed, which help with noise isolation, but unfortunately produce a very narrow soundstage compared to open back headphones. But for immersion's sake, the boomy rumble you get from firing guns or blowing up C4 in a game, or even small audio cues like shattering glass or footsteps running around the corner, the frequency response sits between 15 and 25,000 Hz, which is very generous with all types of media from games to audio to video media. The QPad QH-700 gaming headset uses a conventional hardwired 3.5mm jack connection to connect to your PC or games console, as these do work with an Xbox or PlayStation 2, and because of their plug and play nature, it makes them a wonderful headset to pick up without needing to faff around with drivers or install files. There's an exterior cable if your PC is sitting on the floor or if you just need a bit more slack when gaming. And there's also a detachable mini condenser microphone which has an adjustable boom arm, which sounds alright, but it's no match for your usual streaming setup with a Blue Yeti or similar on the desk. Now I use my QH-700s with a Go XLR Mini, and they're wonderful as I can get just the right balance by using the slider on the mixer and also the volume wheel on the right ear cup. There's also a mute button just above that to cut off your audio through your microphone if you're not using something external like an XLR microphone into an audio interface or a USB condenser like a Blue Yeti. Now I don't use the onboard microphone myself, I use a Rode Podcaster mic plugged into the Go XLR Mini. So I've had to plug the QH-700 into my laptop because unfortunately my PC doesn't have a single jack input on there. Don't know why that is, but that's just the way it is. But this is just an example of what the audio is going to sound like unedited through the actual microphone. Now I noticed when listening to it back there is a slight hum. I have lowered my Windows volume settings to try and counteract that as much as possible, but I just wanted to show you what it was actually like if you were just to plug this in and have your Windows volume settings up to 100. There's no microphone boosting on there or anything like that. So this is just a pure example of unedited audio of what the microphone is going to sound like when using it on something like Discord or in-game chat or in-game voice. The QPad QH-700 gaming headset is an incredibly solid piece of kit that doesn't mess around with virtual sound or fidelity drivers or equalizers to get lost in. So if that's your bag, then give these a miss. But if you're like me who just need a simple set of headphones with a 3.5mm aux cable to plug into your PC or even a Go XLR or similar audio interface, then you can't really go wrong. They retail for around £60 to £65 online from various retailers, making them very competitive in today's gaming market. Thank you very much for checking out our video review of the QPad QH-700 gaming headset. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Please subscribe to keep up with our latest tech and gaming videos. And also let us know in the comments down below what you think of QPad, if you've ever heard of them, or you would rather spend absurdly huge amounts of money on other gaming headsets. Let us know what you're rocking on your PC as well. You can also find us on Twitch at twitch.tv/TechNuovo. There is a link here and down in the description as well. So if you want to come and ask a question about tech, or come and say hi, or just join in with the conversation over on the TechNuovo live stream, then please do so. We do stream from Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, 8:30 p.m. onwards British time. So come say hi. As I say, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.